Want to use OpenAI Codex for free and super fast? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Codex CLI with SambaNova in just a few steps. Step 1. Install Codex CLI. Open command prompt, paste these commands, and run. It'll install Codex CLI, set up SambaNova, add your API key, and launch Codex. Then type status to check and ask it to make hello.py. Done! Step 2. Open this file. With this command, paste this setup for SambaNova. Step 3. Add your SambaNova API key. Step 4. Run it. Now try asking Codex to make a simple Python file that prints a message. Then run init to create an agents.md file with instructions for Codex. And if you want even more power, upgrade to the SambaNova Developer Tier to build the tools your business needs.